Hello guys, hello my people, welcome back to Joseph Plumber. Kindly, if you are new to this channel, as you are watching this video, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have a comment. So guys, the thing you see here, the one that I'm doing, so I want to remove the tap from this tank so that to make the tap far away from the tank, so that when you put the tap near to the tank, it will cause some damage to the tank. So I want to remove this so that to put it far away from the tank. The thing you see here, the one that I'm removing, that's the reducer from of 1 inch to 3/4, so that the gate valve you see there is a gate valve of 1 inch. That's the thread seal that I'm taking. So I want to apply it on this reducing bush. Yeah guys, you apply the way I'm doing. The thing you see there here is a reducing bush, so I'm applying the tape on it. Yeah, like that guys. So then you close it on the gate valve the way I'm doing. Yeah, this is what, if you want to reduce it from 1 inch to 3/4 pipes. Yeah, this is the reduce you see of 3/4. You can see the 3/4 is written. So that's the male adapter. I'm applying the tape on it, so to change it from the GI to PPR pipe. Guys, apply the tape like this. You hold your tape tightly and firmly, then you start applying on it. Yeah, then you close it to your reducer. After closing it, yeah, the way I'm doing like that, then you take your two pipe wrench and you start tightening it. You tighten keenly without causing any damage to the tank or to your gate valve, the way I'm doing guys. Yeah, like that guys. You tighten it well. You tighten it well using your pipe wrench. Yeah, you take your two pipe wrench and you hold it firm, then you tighten well. You ensure your male adapter is tightened, your gate valve, the way I'm doing. You can see the way how I hold the pipe wrench, how I'm holding the pipe wrench. You hold like that. Yeah, yeah, like that. Please guys, consider subscribing this channel for more videos. You will learn more new things about plumbing. If you know that you are plumber, or you are working, or you want to start plumbing. So this is how I changed. I put my tap. Guys, you can see this is the one that I was working with it. I was dealing with it. You can see how it removing the water. Yeah, ensure guys, if you want to install your tap, don't install it directly to your tank. You install the way. Thank you for watching this video and you are welcome.